Hello, my name is Martin. I'm a local guide here in the city of Ljubljana, and right now we are standing in front of a building on which it's written that it was built in 1528. As such, this building is the one that has the oldest year of construction date in the city of Ljubljana, built 17 years after the devastating earthquake in 1511, which destroyed basically 90% of the city of Ljubljana. And of course, because of that, the city today is such a baroque masterpiece. But of course, this building is also important because of one other thing. Mr. Primož Trubar, a very famous Protestant, better we can say Lutheran priest, used to be living around here when he was writing also a set of few books that were, as a matter of fact, the first books that were written and also printed in the Slovenian language. So still today, we consider Mr. Primož Trubar as the father of the modern-day Slovenian language and printed word. Hope to see you soon in the city of Ljubljana, and enjoy.